दिखाया हुसैन ने सजदे में जाके सर को कटाया हुसैन ने।
हजरत इमाम हसन के बेटे हजरत इमाम हुसैन's big brother Imam Hassan, 4 sons. Listen name carefully. Qasim bin Hassan, Abdullah bin Hassan, Abu Bakr bin Hassan, Umar bin Hassan. Allah. Radiyallahu anhum. That also indicate they have love with Sahaba. 5 brother. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. After Hazrat Fatima, he married 9 or 10 times. How many times? 9 or 10 times. How many children Hazrat Ali have? Abu Bakr, reply me. Anyone? Today's people say only 2 children enough. We don't want more. How many children Hazrat Ali have? 30. How many?
30.
30. 20 plus 10, 30. 17 sons and 13 daughters. Okay, Hazrat Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam, how many children have? MashaAllah. At least you know, 49 children of Sayyidina Ghaus-e Azam. भाइयों के नाम सुन लें. Hazrat Ali's children, those mothers different but father is same. Abbas bin Ali, Muhammad bin Ali, Jafar bin Ali, Omar bin Ali, Usman bin Ali, radiyallahu anhum. Though Chachazad, that also cousin, Abdullah and Abdul Rahman bin Jafar bin Aqil, radiyallahu anhum. Though Bhanje, sister's son, Hazrat Sayyida Zainab's children, Muhammad and Ibrahim, radiyallahu anhum. Many Sahaba tried to stop Hazrat Imam Hussain to go Karbala. I want to reply this also. Today, those people read history, they say, look, how many Sahaba, companions of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stopped Hazrat Imam Hussain, don't go to Karbala, don't go to Kufa. And Hazrat Imam Hussain did not accept their advice and he went. That's why he faced like that. Listen, read properly. Not a single Sahabi says your motive is wrong. But they say that Kufa people is not trustworthy. हमें कूफियों पर एतेमाद नहीं है, वो भरोसे के लायक नहीं. No one say that your point is wrong, your standpoint is wrong. No one say. वो ये कहते थे कूफे वाले भरोसे के लायक नहीं. Hazrat Sayyida Zainab's husband is a brother-in-law of Imam Hussain. He came and especially he asked, oh my brother, everyone is stopping you. Why you going? So Hazrat Imam Hussain replied, I had dream. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came in my dream and he gave me one order. I will fulfill that. So Hazrat Abdullah, he asked that Nana Jan, Huzur sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what order gave? Imam Hussain said, I won't tell you. And I will go to Allah, I will fulfill and I will never announce that order. But दिल कहता है हुजूर ने यही कहा होगा, बेटा आज दीन को तेरी जरूरत है, आज दीन को तेरी कुर्बानी चाहिए. इमाम ने कदम पीछे नहीं हटाया, आगे बढ़ते गए. On 2nd Muharram, Thursday, 61 Hijri, इमाम आली मकाम, मैं सारी डिटेल छोड़ रहा हूं क्योंकि वो लेंथी हो जाएगा. He reached in one open place, Maidan or desert, whatever you call, near to Nehre Farat. Nehr you call lake, so lake of Farat. Wahan Hazrat Imam Hussain pahunche and he asked someone, that place we standing, what's name of this place? He said is Karbala. But that I'm telling you, Huzur sallallahu alaihi wasallam announced so many years before मेरा ये बेटा करबला में शहीद होगा. I told you last night also, जब हजरत इमाम हुसैन ने करबला का नाम सुना तो फरमाया यही हमारी शहादत गाह है. This place we will give sacrifice and our lives in Allah's way. दुश्मन यहाँ पे खून हमारा बहाएंगे, जिंदा यहाँ से हम न कभी फिर के जाएंगे. आले नबी का होगा इसी जा पे इम्तिहान, सब तशना लब यहाँ पे सरप ना कटाएंगे. करबो बला है नाम इसी सरजमीन का, बच्चे यहाँ पे पानी का कतरा ना पाएंगे. होगा यहाँ शहीद हर एक मुस्तफा का लाल, और लाश कत्ल गाह से हम सब की लाएंगे. इमाम अली मकाम गेव ऑर्डर, पुट योर कैंप्स हेयर. सब ने वहां पर अपना डेरा लगा दिया. These, how many I told, how many people? 82, including ladies and children. And front of them, 22,000 people came. How many? 22,000. And all was calling themselves Shiane Ali. Last night I mentioned. You remember? वो अपने आप को शियाने अली कहते थे. They invite Hazrat Imam Hussain, and now they came to kill Hazrat Imam Hussain. Amr bin Saad, Hussain bin Numair, Khawli bin Yazid, Shabas bin Rib'i, Shimar zil Jawshan, they were commanders of that Yazid army. Everyone came. Hazrat Imam Hussain gave them 3 advice. Give me chance to go back to Makkah. In Makkah, no one allowed to fight anyone. So I will spend my life there. If you feel Makkah, if I'm going, you also in trouble, so give me chance to go out from your government boundary, that country's boundary. I will go to those area. There is no Muslim government. I will spread Islam there and I will pass my time. Otherwise, number 3, take me to Yazid personally and I will talk to him. Whatever decide between me and him will take place. Ibn Saad, Ibn Ziyad, they refuse to accept all 3. They say, you make bayat for Yazid now, otherwise ready to fight with us. Imam replied, Yazid ki bayat karke zinda rehna zillat hai, मैं इज्जत की मौत को तरजीह दूंगा. Now, message why Hazrat Imam Hussain did not make bayat to Yazid. Listen within 2-3 minutes, then I will go further. Yazid was son of Sahabi. Yes, I told you last night. Yazid performing salah also, namaz, but not punctual. Sometime listening music, going for hunting, sometime drink also. This today, how many people do like that? Can we call them kafir? Please, we call sinful people. That's all. But Yazid only not did that. He allowed whatever Allah make haram, he announced is halal. In his time, sisters get married with their brothers. जिसको अल्लाह ने हलाल किया था, इसने उसको हराम किया. जिसको अल्लाह ने हराम किया था, इसने हलाल किया. अगर इमाम उस वक्त चुप रहते, क्या आज दीन सेफ होता? नहीं. If Imam Pak that time keep silence, today what people will say? Oh, go on, enjoy, happy, go lucky. यही कहते हैं ना. If Imam Hussain did not say anything, why we talk? So Imam Hussain announced, this is religion of my Nana Jan, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I am alive. In my presence, no one can change a small rule of Islam. And today, if Islam exists on real essence, that is only due to Imam Hussein's sacrifice. We have to salute him. That is why Hazrat Sayyidina Khaja Muinuddin Hasan Chishti Ajmeri Sarkar Gharib Nawaz radiyallahu ta'ala anhu says, Shah Astu Hussain, Badshah Astu Hussain, Deen Astu Hussain, Deen Pana Astu Hussain, Sardad Nadad Dast Dar Daste Yazid, Haqqa ke binaye La ilaha Hastu Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala an. Hussain is king. Shah Astu Hussain. Hussain is king. He is not satisfied to say this much. He said, Badshah Astu Hussain. Not only king, he is king maker. Deen Astu Hussain. Hussain is religion. Not only religion, Deen. Pana Astu Hussain. If Islam is saved, तो उनकी बारगाह में वो पना लेता है. Islam also taking shelter of Hazrat Imam Hussain. He gave his head, but not gave hand in hand of Yazid. So what's he proved? That La ilaha illallah कहने वाले अल्लाह के सिवा किसी के सामने झुकते नहीं हैं.
Allahu Akbar.
All ummah now saluting Hazrat Imam Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala. From 7th Muharram, they stopped. 4,000 people appointed on Nehre Furat, Lake of Furat. Not single one drop, one dot of water go to camps. Not allowed. वो पानी जिसको जानवर पी रहे थे. Animals can drink. All birds can drink. Even kafir can drink. They stopped Holy Prophet family from that water. उनको नहीं पता था आज इनका पानी बंद करेंगे, कल क़यामत में हौज़े कौसर के जाम कैसे पिएंगे. मगर उनकी किस्मत में कौसर के जाम नहीं थे. On 9th Muharram, they announced for war. Hazrat Imam sent some people to tell them, give us one more night. Tomorrow, 10th Muharram, Friday, they want to do whatever they can. They accepted that. After Isha Salah, Imam Hussain called all companions, all family people. I am very happy with you all. If you want to go, door is open. Don't feel, I feel bad. Don't think. I'm giving you permission with happiness. Please go. They only want my life. You go, save your life. But everyone said, अगर आज आपको छोड़ देंगे, कल रसूलुल्लाह को क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे.
Allah.
Tomorrow if Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ask us, what we will give answer? Oh Imam, if one person also alive among us, we not giving chance any enemy to throw any arrow towards you. We will give our life for you. Imam said, okay, go. Now think is your last night. If you want to make tawbah, if you want to perform any salah, or if you want to sleep, this is some minutes, some hours with you. Imam also came in his camp. He start reading Quran, and during recitation of Quran, he fell sleepy. खौफ हो तो नींद आती है. If you have fear, can you feel sleepy? Imam feels sleepy, means his heart is satisfied. Huzur sallallahu alayhi wasallam came in his dream. And Huzur said, oh, my son, you coming to me. And Huzur gave him blessings. Allahumma a'til Husayna sabran wa ajra. Oh Allah, Hussain ko sabr aur ajr ata farma. 10th Muharram, Friday morning, 61 Hijri. Hazrat Ali Akbar gave azan in Karbala for Fajr Salah. Imam Hussain performed that Salah. He was Imam, all behind him. उस दिन करबला वालों को नमाज में कितना मजा आया होगा. How much they enjoy their Salah. Listen, Imam Hussein came, they making salah. Yazid came also giving azan. They also performing salah. Separate. वो भी तो मुसलमान कहते थे ना अपने आप को. They claim so-called Muslim. They also making azan. They also performing salah. Imam Hussein's camp also azan and salah separate. Why? Today people say, oh, ulama always fight. They don't perform salah behind each other. If they are not united, how can they make us unite? Listen, Imam taught us in Karbala why their azan is different, why their azan is separate and our azan is separate, why their salah is separate and our salah is separate. Those people don't have love and respect for Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam family. Their azan is not azan, their salah is not salah. That is why we don't perform behind them, because they don't have respect and love for Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and their attachments. You understand that? उधर से एरो, उसने अमर बिन साद ने एरो फेंका और स्टार्ट कर दिया वॉर को. Sometime, war have from one army come this side and other army come from that side and they start. That was not like that. One person going from this side and one person coming from that side. इस तरह उनकी ये जंग हुई थी. ये ऐसे नहीं कि full army one time. Imam Ali maqam ke 50 dost, 50 friends and murid with him. One by one they go and they have so much, pain. 3 din ke pyase. From last 3 days they don't have eat anything, they don't have drink anything. But they show spirit. They show strength of Iman. Unhone muqabla kiya, but one by one all became shaheed. Imam sat on his camel or horse and he went towards the army of Yazid. Kal Allah पूछेगा क्या जवाब दोगे? Tomorrow Allah will ask you, what will you reply? Today you fighting with me. What is my crime? What is my mistake? है कोई हमारी मदद करने वाला? There is any person who ready to help me? Hur bin Yazid Riyahi. He was one commander, one general in Yazid army. He came and he came to Imam Hussein. He said, I was not aware like this will happen. मैं तो सोचता था कि आपके कोई भी negotiation होंगे, कोई बात होगी, कुछ decide हो जाएगा. But they want to kill you. If I give my life to you, can I get intercession of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? क्या आपके नाना की शफाअत मुझे मिल जाएगी? इमाम अली मकाम ने फरमाया अत्ताइबु मिन ज़म्बि कमल्ला ज़म्बला. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if person make tawbah purely, so he will free from all the sin. So you making tawbah, inshallah you will get intercession of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But Hur, today you came to me, I can't even provide you glass of water, but I promise you tomorrow day of Qiyamah I will drink afterward Kausar. I will provide you first. Kausar ka jam मैं बाद में पीऊंगा, तुझे पहले पिलाऊंगा. And poet says, निकल कर लश्करे आदा से मारा हुर ने ये नारा कि देखो यूं निकलते हैं जहन्नम से खुदा वाले. कि देखो यूं निकलते हैं जहन्नम से खुदा वाले. हुसैन इब्ने अली की क्या मदद कर सकता था कोई? ये खुद मुश्किल कुशा थे और थे मुश्किल कुशा वाले. ये खुद मुश्किल कुशा थे और थे मुश्किल कुशा वाले. हजारों में 72 अतर तन थे
लो।
तस्लीम
रज़ा वाले
हकीकत में खुदा इनका था और ये थे
थे खुदा वाले।
किसी ने जब वतन पूछा
अल्लाह।
तो यूं हजरत ने फरमाया
क्या?
मदीने वाले
कहलाते
कहलाते
थे
थे अब हैं
करबला वाले।
मदीने
वाले कहलाते थे
अब हैं
करबला वाले।
Imam Ali Maqam, why went to call anyone there to help us? Why he went? Today people say he went to ask help. No. Imam Hussain have good eyes. Allah gave heart eyes. He saw that person belonged to Jannah, but standing in people, those are going to hell. ये जन्नती है, दोज़खियों में खड़ा है, इमाम उसको निकालने गए थे. इमाम want to take him out from the hell people. So इमाम का बुलाना सबब बन गया और वो जन्नतियों में आ गया. Hazrat Hor also gave life for Imam Hussain. Now only family people. आए हैं अब मैदान में अली मुर्तजा के फूल, ज़हरा बतूल और चमने मुस्तफा के फूल. हजरत मुस्लिम bin Aqil's sons, Abdullah, he got permission. He went to fight with all Yazid army. He alone killed 90 people.
Allah Akbar.
That much strength in his body. Today's our youngster, if I give them 5 kilo weight and tell them to walk 1 mile, they can't. But 3 man ko 40 kilo we call 1 man. क्या आपके यहाँ weight होता है? Underweight कितने का होता है? That weight. About 120 kilo weight sword they use with one hand. That much strength in their bodies that time. Hazrat Jafar bin Aqil, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Aqil also took permission from Imam Hussain to fight with the Yazidi. They also fight nicely, and 50 people from Yazid army they killed. But from this side, Imam side going 1 person or 2 person, from other side 20, 50, 100, 200 people come and they throw arrow from all the side. ये लोग कब तक मुकाबला करते? एक एक करके जामे शहादत नोश कर गए. इमाम के सामने इमाम के भाई, all 5 brothers came. Hazrat Ali's son, brother, give us permission, we will give our life. Imam stopped Hazrat Abbas. He gave permission to 4 brothers. They also went. Front of them, 1,000 and 1,000 came. They also fought with them, but they also become shaheed. Then Hazrat Imam Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, son Qasim bin Hassan, I took all names. They all 4 came. They also want permission to go. ये जो कासिम था ना, इमाम हसन का बेटा, ये इंगेज था हजरत इमाम हुसैन की बेटी सकीना से. 19 years his age, he was engaged with Hazrat Sakina. So Hazrat Imam Hussain replied him, after me you will get married with Sakina, I won't allow you to go. But Hazrat Imam Qasim replied, my father Hazrat Imam Hassan write one will, and he gave me, and he told that time you think lot of problem, so big problem, then open this and read and follow. I always keep that wasiyat, that will with me, and today I saw how much problem, so I opened that paper and I read. My father wrote, oh my son, there is one day will come, मेरा भाई हुसैन दुश्मनों में घेरा होगा. In Karbala, on that day you will give your life to my brother. So I don't want to become prisoner. Give me permission, I will go to fight with them. Arzaq Pahalwan. Pahalwan means wrestler. Arzaq. He used to fight 1,000 people one time. That much he called, power in his body. So Amr bin Saad told him, go to fight with the Imam Hassan's son. He said, I am big wrestler. My 4 sons in your army. My 1 son enough for him. He told to 1 son, go to fight with Hazrat Qasim. That time he came front of Qasim. Hazrat Qasim saw he had very good sword in his hand. And he horse also very nice. So, al-harbu khad'atun. Jang ek chaal hai. There is tactics. That war is tactics. Hazrat Imam Hassan just gave him one, what you call, जो भी दाव कहते हैं उसको क्या कहेंगे? हैं? Dodge. Dodge the negative word hai. He just play with that and he applied his sword and make him in 2 pieces. Other brother came. 4 sons, one by one came. Hazrat Qasim killed all. Now Arzaq, who feel I am wrestler fighting with 1,000 people. Now he came and he's swearing from his mouth that all foam coming from his mouth because front of him his 4 sons killed by that boy. So he want to apply his sword. Hazrat Qasim told, you even don't know how to control horse. He just turned his face. Hazrat Qasim applied sword on him also and he made him in 2 pieces. Ab koi bhi nahi aa raha, not single one. Then all came together. Hazrat Qasim par toot pade. Hazrat Qasim ko jab neze par uchal ke girane lage, he called Hazrat Imam Hussain, Ya Amma, Ya Amma. Hazrat Imam Hussain दौड़ते हुए गए. देखा तो भतीजा, उसकी बॉडी, blessed body, खाको खून में तड़प रही है. What Imam says, poet in his words, he said, हाय जन्नत को तुम भी सिधारे, मेरे भाई के फर्जंद कासिम. दागे फुरकत है दिल पर हमारे, मेरे भाई के फर्जंद कासिम. काश तुम साथ मेरे न आते, हो के रुखसत न मैदान को जाते. भूखे प्यासे न मैदान को जाते, मेरे भाई के फर्जंद कासिम. याद किस किस की दिल से भुलाऊं, हाय किस किस की लाशें उठाऊं. किसको अपनी कहानी सुनाऊं, मेरे भाई के फर्जंद कासिम. Imam took